Today I've got an LG Bluray player with the model number HR925T. This one also does DVR recording, and the issue that I've got with it is that it doesn't actually detect the hard drive. So we'll crack it open and have a look. Should just be able to use a Phillips head screwdriver, relatively large size one. There only seems to be about 3 screws on the back. And with it, once you've undid the screws, 2 side panels come off. And then there's these clips, 4 clips, one in each corner. Just expand the top chassis outwards, and it should be able to lift up like so. So here we are. We can see the Seagate, the WD green hard drive inside of here. That's also held down by 4 Phillips head screws. But I can already see an issue here, which I'll soon show. So under the hard drive there, you can see a bit of brown. And where that power connector is, there's also a fair bit of brown, which is not looking good. So I'll disconnect that. Yep, and I've got one fried hard drive. No idea why it's done that, but it's definitely not good. So what my plan is to do is replace the hard drive in there, and also to use the connectors that go to the main board on the power cable. And I'm going to solder that onto a fresh Molex connector and connect it up from there, and hopefully I can format the drive and away it goes, back to operational. Anyway, I'm just going to remove the hard drive here, but that's all I've got for this video. So hopefully this may have helped you, might have not. Anyway, I'll catch you later. Bye.